we'll guide you through how to set up ClickUp for your tasks and projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website and click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You'll need to enter your email address and set a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the ClickUp dashboard. Here, you'll see a prompt to create your first workspace. This is where all your tasks and projects will be organized. Name your workspace something that represents your team or project. After you've created a workspace, you can then create a new space. Spaces are like folders that help you organize different types of projects or departments. Click on Add Space and give it a name. Now, it's time to add some tasks. Click on the New Task button in your space, and a task creation window will pop up. Here, you can enter a task name, set a due date, and assign it to team members. You can also add descriptions, attachments, and comments to keep everything in one place. ClickUp offers various views like List, Board, and Calendar, allowing you to switch between them depending on how you prefer to visualize your tasks. If you're working with a team, you might want to explore the Invite feature to add collaborators to your workspace. This way, everyone can stay up to date with the project progress. For further customization, check out the settings where you can tweak notifications, integrate with other apps, and set up automation to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.